Hi everyone, I'm Michael and this is AVC School. If you feel that the standard tools for editing 3D solids are not enough, make sure to watch this video until the end. Today is the first of 3 videos about tool we call Solid Subtract. First, let me quickly go over the key features and then I'll show you how it works. Unlike the standard subtract command, which resets your selection and asks you to select objects again, our tool keeps the selection active. This means you can immediately continue working with the same objects, for example, after assigning materials. Our tool allows cutting and works with 3D solids, surfaces, and regions. It also provides direct access to our other plugin, Mesh to Solid, which makes it easy to work with meshes as well. Subscribe to our channel, we'll release a full review soon. Other feature is that you can choose whether to delete the original entities, and you can automatically move the result to a new layer. We also took care about materials. All object properties are preserved, and most importantly, face materials remain exactly as on the original object. Last one is that you can save up to 9 tool presets, so you don't have to configure it every time before use. In essence, this plugin combines standard 3D tools but makes them much more powerful. Today we will focus on subtract and gap. Let's use the standard subtract command. I already have my object selected. I run the sub command, and all my previous selections are cleared. I have to select the objects again, confirm the selection, choose the entities to subtract, and confirm once more. As you can see, the colors on the original objects have changed, and the materials are gone. Also, all the primitives have merged into one object, broken into parts. Now let's undo the command and take a look at Solid Subtract. My objects are already selected. I run ssub, choose the parts to subtract, and confirm. This is impressive. My materials and colors stay exactly in place, and my primitives do not merge into a single object. I'm obsessed with this. I undo the command. In addition, you can choose whether to keep the original objects or not, and move the result to a new layer. Right now, I kept the original entities, and as you can see, the result is placed on a new layer. Could be very productive in a right hands. Gap is a subtraction with clearance. It allows you to quickly create gaps for parts or fittings in just a few clicks. You can use it as part of the subtract workflow or as a separate command. I select the object where I want to create the gap. The program reads its materials. Then I select the objects to subtract and confirm the command. The slots are ready. Imagine doing it with usual instruments. As you can see, this is much faster than using standard tools. We believe this plugin can save a huge amount of time for both experienced engineers and beginners. You can download it using the link below, so a 20-day free trial is available. Use AVC in your workflow and save time for life.